So, guys, look at this. How are you supposed to manage a game like this? How you actually balance
I
this?
greet
Look.
you.
I mean, this
I
deck is
commend
like
your skill.
it's supposed to be a fatigue deck, but you have a new card right now who gives you a fucking infinity deck. So that
Tide is
happens.
against me.
So as you can see here, I have a lot of that dude, that two drop dude. He keeps all his Deferretto that died in this turn. So there is a card, Deferretto card that says when died, draw a card, and has another one. I think like a Magumon. It says at the photo 2 that says keep all enhancements to discard and shuffle into your deck. So basically it's infinite. Look.
I have seen creation
Ay, 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 boy,
and
look at
will
this.
bring destruction.
Look, oh, that's so dumb. It's so fun at the same time. I mean, look, my arm. Oh, and it multiplies it because when you play it again, keep the last Death that died, so it keeps going and going. Look, his decks with selves.
There isn't room.
I mean, huh, look, what are you supposed to do? Take it, jog. I think that's his name. Look, and when the more you play, more you have in your deck, so you're never gonna run out of cards. So that's so dumb. I just wanna show to you guys this shit. You guys wanna see later. Is so deeply, in I mean like getting the Ferreros that attach another Ferrero that attach the other one. So that's so deep and multiplies like that. And later on this game, the game will be so slow to actually calculate stuff. You're gonna see it, like it's gonna take a while to so I can make another move. The server actually is burning when you play this card. I wonder if everyone plays this card and makes the video fucking go to hell. I mean, I don't like to do that, but at the same time, it would be good. You don't like to do that, right? Look what they've done to our game. Oh my little fucking entity, look at this. If I was this guy, boy oh boy oh, I'd had a fucking huge dick in my ass than play this game right now. I mean, some people like dick ass, which is no lose. So, oh look, this fucking starts to take a while to take another action. Look. Oh, see? When you my hands, my cards on my hand, like they don't allow me to play it because they don't know what's going on too. Even Blizzard don't know what's going on here. So I don't know how the fuck the Infinite deck works on fatigue stuff because sometimes I'm able to mill the opponent quickly, faster than this because this takes so much time to do it. Look. But sometimes I actually can mill opponents faster. So I don't know what's going on here right now. But I think that's balanced, right? Although, and every time I play a card, I get my like 2 or 3 cards.
There isn't room.
Look, he's so mad. I mean, he gets 2+2 on his deck, right? Every time the turns go off. But I gain 3 armor each time they died, but it has a lot of multiplies on it, so it's like a fucking tons of armor multiplying, and you play another, then play another, and attach the other. It's like a Centipede, right? The film, the horror movie. And I think that's kind of how this works. But I don't want to shit on you, so you can eat my shit. It's even better. We get our opponents eating our dick. Hmm. Drink water a little bit. So he doesn't know what to do right now. I was curious about this game because when I was playing it, I didn't know. I thought that the game bugs because sometimes, anytime you're going to be able to mute your opponent somehow. Oh look! The game is starting to crash. It didn't allow me to do it, other stuff.
There isn't room.
So at this time I was so worried about it because this is not getting fatigue them. So I think this actually broke. How I told you guys before, even you play an exactly how this guy did, but anytime you're going to be able to actually fatigue him. But this game, I'm not getting there. I don't know why. I don't know how to work through. But even and each time that I play a fucking minion, it increase the others too. So it's like a multiply dude. That's why I think Blizzard cannot handle this. So here I want to play. Oh, 8 minutes and oh, what the fuck, 9 minutes? Oh, that's infinity. Alright, I just wanna get it out of my hand because I don't know what's going on here too. So that's basically it, right? This game is supposed to be fun, right? I'm having a lot of fun. I mean, I don't know about him though. So, because if someone did this to me, I don't know how I would feel to react because I'm a dumb guy who likes dumb stuff, so I'll probably be happy to lose that shit. Look at this motherfucker doing to me.
I commend you.
I don't know if able to beat me. My armor. I'm not that good at math, but 3 armor multiplied by 1 billion armor. The only problem here is understand that eternal layover. That cards give you reborn and kill your minions. But remember, the druid has the amalgamon. I don't know how to call it. That keeps the enhancement, so it'll keep the reborn and then die. So that's bad because we need slots on your hand, on your field. I mean, so we can play more and attach more death arrows. So that's why I didn't play it there.
Time is against me.
But I mean, I'm supposed to hit this fucking location, right? To keep out of my fortune. At this point, he just gave up. I mean, who wouldn't? Because oh my god, I feel like I was beating my mom doing a terrible thing here, you know, in comparison. I mean, don't beat your mom, guys. But look, it's fucking broken. It cannot really resolve anymore. Like the server fucking didn't like what the fuck is going on in that game. And later on, you guys are gonna be even more surprised what happens, cause it gets so crazy and so fucking insane that I actually broke the servers. Cause you guys are going to see. See, he doesn't melt. He doesn't take fatigue damage. What's going on here? I know it's an infinity deck, but you guys. Oh look, he took 1 fatigue damage, but he's keeping getting cards from his hand again after take 1 damage. So look, I cannot hit anymore because there's a taunt from the Death Rattle. But he's not spawning yet because he has a lot of animation. So I panic and I fucking play the destroy cards. I don't know what's going on anymore. I just want to sure to have they die. I mean, I just don't have sure that I'm going to die. But it's supposed to be dead, right? Because I cannot pass my turn anymore. So, oh, I won 100%. But how? It's not getting fatigue damage. Look. He took one fatigue damage? But now, what's going on here? I can't even play my cards, everything's stuck. I think I actually burned the bullet server. It must be a huge calculator that fucking burned. I hope I did because I don't want to do that. But look. Dude. Oh my fucking god. Oh, I think 2 now. 3, and then... Okay, now my spell went off. Alright, alright. I mean, what the hell is going on here? I mean, someone... Look, my armor, dude, that's so insane. I mean, I don't... fuck that shit. I feel so good doing this. Fuck you guys. That feels like playing Yu-Gi-Oh right now, huh? So...
No more cards.
Oh, okay, he took 4 now. Did he take 4? I didn't remember this. 5, I think it's out. See? Index like running off of cards. He died, right? I guess. I didn't record this on like OBS. I just when I see this I capture from Windows, you know. So it's not that good quality. Bro, they didn't even respond back yet from the spell. So he died like last 300 fucking health. 2. Come on, man, that is definitely. But what? Withdrew. See? What? How? I broke the fucking game. Someone explain me to this. What the fuck? You're not supposed to die? Oh my god, I think I broke the fucking game. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and fuck my ass.